media, and many more. Stay until the end to see them all. So this is something I can do for my hat without doing a lot of things. I just have to slip on it. It's very simple. Sometimes I add my linen sheet on the top. Sometimes we just slip straight on this grounding sheet. It is made from, and I hope you had a great holiday and Merry Christmas to you and Happy New Year. And if you add a one, I'm sending you a big hug, and I hope this community gives you some smile and comfort. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!